Hey, when it comes to your veggie garden, you may think the planting season is over, but it's not. Here in Utah, we can plant cool season vegetables now and enjoy fresh harvests well into fall. Designer and florist Jessica Berrett joins me with details. So in a lot of ways, is fall a better time to plant?
Some of our seeds actually germinate better with the warmer soils.
Okay.
So in a lot of ways, it's a great time to be growing vegetables.
All right, well, let's start small, literally, like the seeds you talked about. What do we need to know?
Yeah, so a lot of the same crops that we grow in spring, we can grow in the fall. So
okay.
Some of our peas, lettuce, spinach, kale, a lot of these cool weather-loving plants, we can grow them in the fall.
Like plant now and enjoy them within the season?
Absolutely.
Okay, what do we need to know about soil prep?
So at the end of the summer, it's always a good idea to add a little bit of compost. You know, if we've been growing all summer, we have depleted some of the nutrients in our soil. So we can add anywhere from 1 inch to 3 inches of compost and then work that into our soils before we plant these fall crops.
Okay, do we need to soak our seeds?
Some seeds do benefit from being soaked. Snap peas are one of those. So I can show you here, it's really an easy process. From 12 to 24 hours, just give them a little soak.
What does that do?
It helps them to just get a little bit more hydrated more quickly.
We gotta run away here.
So yeah.
Oh, I got him. I got him for you.
There
okay, there you go.
Helps them hydrate a little more quickly. Instead of waiting for them to get fully hydrated in the ground and start growing, you're just giving them that little jump start.
Okay.
And then when you plant them, they're all hydrated and ready to germinate.
If we don't want to be so bold as to start from seed, you say we can transplant vegetables too.
Yeah, a lot of our local nurseries will carry starts of some of these fall plants. So here we've got some broccoli, some red cabbage, some beets, and even some lettuce starts here. I picked these all up from local nurseries, and those we can plant out in our garden right now.
Okay.
And they'll start growing, and then as the weather starts cooling down, they'll really take off.
All right, if we're already harvesting summer vegetables like tomatoes or zucchini, can we plant these right alongside?
That's what I like to do.
Yeah.
I like to just fill in any spaces.
Okay.
So the more space is full of plants that you want to grow and eat, then that's less space for weeds.
Lovely.
So I just pack them in.
Better that than the weeds. Good approach. And where it is cooler, what do we need to know about watering?
Watering is, you're still going to need to watch the water because obviously we're still hot right now, but as we get into the cooler weather, we'll taper off a little on the watering.
Okay.
But keep an eye on it. One thing that is good to keep in mind is as we go into the fall with frosts, we can add a little, if we're seeing on the news that there's going to be a frost, you can do a really quick protect of your plants by using some of this frost cloth, and it's available
drape it over
at stores. Yeah, if you have something like this little arch, these kind of things come in sets.
Yeah, okay.
Stick them in the ground, drape your fabric over, and that's a good protection. But a lot of these vegetables actually can handle a little bit of frost, and it makes them taste better.
They can do it. Okay,
Yeah.
and you'll be glad that you did, and they did too. Thank you so much. Where can we get more from you?
You can find me on Instagram, plant.geek, and also with Sunline Landscapes.
All right, good run through. Thank you so much.